welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is Mini System Test 3. So, 6006, 2151, put this pole station back up, and I have a device that a lot of you who are just on the YouTube side, they don't follow my Instagram, which if you don't, you should. I have such good content. No, I really don't. But, anyway, you guys on YouTube have probably never seen this device. This thing. It's an Edwards Integrity Speaker Strobe. It's a huge, huge device. Considering this is the 12-volt battery, it's about as wide as that. So, I have the speaker disconnected as, I guess you can't really see it, but yeah, I have the speaker taken out, and it's just like, there's nothing in there. Before I pull the fire alarm, don't pull fire alarms in real buildings, and don't watch it if you're sensitive to strobe lights. I had to think of the other one. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that strobe is very, very loud. Alright, let's magnet test this thing. Oh wait, no, I need to test the full station. Oops. Okay, now let's magnet test it. Oh man. Oh, that's because it's right there. Huh. That was big brain of me. Yeah, this thing's like really loud. The whatever it's called, the capacitor. It's ridiculous how loud it is. And it says 15 candela, but it's not 15 candela. Like, I can assure y'all that right now. Like, if that's 15 candela, that's a bright 15 candela. Alright, I'm just going to have that magnet test again. Get the thumbnail. Okay. Well, I'm guessing that's enough of this device. So, yeah. That's the Edwards Integrity Speaker Strobe that I have, which is definitely not the common type of speaker strobe you'll see out in the field, if you see them. I mean, Integrity Speaker Strobes are pretty rare as it is, but this kind I've never seen before until I saw it and got to take it. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next video. Peace.